Got to get the ugly sister in. Just look a bit Cinderella, isn't he?
Knuckling, yeah.
Yeah, they're beautiful there. Another orange Triumph.
Identity crisis.
Yeah.
Battle Tiger. Suits it.
Monstrous size beast, isn't it?
With reverse gear.
Yeah.
That's lovely, yeah.
So yeah, it would be, you know, it's good, but then they do a lot of these like the bike aware courses and things like that, don't they?
Yeah. The old scramble 1200s, they're nice. Another GSX 14 look.
Photos of you, hundreds and hundreds of ideas.
And the old hardly able son. No stand, look, got to lean it against the box. Don't know what to make of that.
No.
Look, his boots been scuffing.
Yeah.
Yeehaw cowboys.
Back
That's,
with a
that's
reference.
heavy,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
When I'm going along, it's been blown back there, so it appears to be coming from the place in the barrel. Yeah. So I'm guessing it's probably